So, good morning, students. Welcome back to Expertise Biology with Yasmin, and here is your Yasmin ma'am. So, once again, we will start with one of the chapter of 8th standard, that is conservation of plants and animals. And under conservation of plants and animals, we have seen many subtopics. Now, let us proceed further. When we were doing the steps of conservation of wildlife, we have done about the habitat preservation and hunting regulations. Now we were doing about creating protected areas for the wildlife to conserve them. And under the creating protected areas, we are studying about the biosphere reserves, the wildlife sanctuaries, and the national parks. So now under these things we are going to do in detail. Now let us start with biosphere reserves. A biosphere reserve is a large protected area. In the last class, I have made you understood that how to conserve the wildlife and what are the steps to conserve and why it is important to conserve the wildlife. Conserving wildlife means conserving forest, which is very important part of our biotic life, okay, of our environment, of our biosphere. So let us know in detail what is biosphere reserve. A biosphere reserve is a large protected area of land meant for the conservation of wildlife. It's a large protected area of a land. Protected area means no one can come and do hunting. As we have seen in the last class that the hunting of the wild animals are done for trading. So they are kept in the protected areas so that they are protected from the hunters, the businessman. Now, a biosphere reserve is a large protected area of land meant for the conservation of wildlife, biodiversity, and here also there is conservation of biodiversity. We have seen what is biodiversity, yes, and the traditional lifestyle of the tribal people living in that area. See, many tribal people stay in the forest, everyone knows that. So it is very important to give them a particular area where the tribal people can stay. As everyone knows, for the people in the tribes, their main livelihood is the forest, the wildlife. They do the honey culture, they have many business related to herbal medicines, so they do these things. And if we cut this forest or wildlife, their life is affected a lot, the tribal people. So a protected area is also given to them where they can stay safely and they can do their work related to the forest. Okay, now as we all know, tribal people, they are not so much blessed to have education. They are very much behind in sense of education. So the areas are given, protected areas are given where they can feel safe to stay and do their business related to forest. A biosphere reserve may also contain other protected areas in it. A biosphere reserve, you have seen what is biosphere reserve. It's a protected area for the animals, for conserving the biodiversity, and for the tribal people. So the biosphere reserve also consists of, it also contains what? It also contains wildlife sanctuary and national park. So now what are these wildlife sanctuary and national park that we will see further? Now there are about 18 biosphere reserves in India. There are about 18 biosphere reserves in India. So the type of questions that will be asked from this part thought is, what are the steps to conserve? 2 steps we have seen before. This is the 3rd step to conserve the biodiversity or wildlife. And the next question that could be asked is, what is biosphere reserve? How many biosphere reserves are there in India? Okay, if you want, you can take the screenshot, children. So we have understood now what are biosphere reserves, and we have also come to know that there are about almost 18 biological reserves in India. So let us name few of them. The names and locations of some of the biosphere reserves of India are given below. First is Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve in Andaman and Nicobar. Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve in Andaman and Nicobar. Kaziranga Biosphere Reserve in Assam. Kaziranga Biosphere Reserve in Assam. Sundarbans Biosphere Reserve in West Bengal. What is it? Sundarbans Biosphere Reserve in West Bengal. Kanha Biosphere Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. What is it, children? Kanha Biosphere Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. Pachmari Biosphere Reserve again in Madhya Pradesh. So in Madhya Pradesh there are two reserves, that is Kanha Biosphere Reserve and Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. This could be asked for objective types questions or MCQs. Okay, children. So you have to by heart these. Where are the biosphere reserves and their names. Now as we have understood what are biosphere reserves, they are the protected areas where the animals are or the wildlife is protected and the biodiversity is protected and the tribal people life is protected. So here it's very important to know the role of biosphere reserves. What are the important roles of biosphere reserves? The biosphere reserve performs the following functions or roles. First one is it helps in the conservation of wildlife of the area. So the most important function or the role of the biosphere reserve is it conserves the wildlife of a particular area. Means if I am taking an example of Pachmari Biosphere Reserve, the wildlife in Madhya Pradesh would be protected in this biosphere reserve. Okay, so the first function or the first role is it helps in the conservation of wildlife of the area. The chapter what we are doing, it helps to conserve the wildlife of that particular area in which that biosphere reserve is there. Second is it helps to maintain the biodiversity of the area. We have studied about the biodiversity. So the biological reserves, it helps in maintaining the biodiversity of a particular area where that biosphere reserve is situated. Now the next functional role is it helps to preserve the natural ecological conditions in the area. The natural ecological conditions of a particular area is protected because of the presence of a biological reserve in that particular area. Means what? The ecological condition. What is ecology? We have studied not the relation between the environment and its study is called ecology. So it helps, the biological reserves helps in maintaining the ecology of that particular area. It helps to maintain the lifestyle of the tribal people living in the area. As we have studied before, the tribal life or the tribal people in a particular area, they are protected in this biosphere reserves. Their tribal life, it is 100% dependent on the wildlife and the forest. So again these tribal people are to be protected and they are protected in this biosphere reserves. So it helps to maintain the lifestyle of the tribal people living in the area. It prevents the commercial exploitation of the area. What do you mean by commercial exploitation? Commercial exploitation of an area means the forests are cut to make roads. Forests are cut to make big malls and buildings and cooperative societies. So commercial means to exploit the wildlife, the forest of a particular place to earn for business. There is commercial. Okay, so it prevents the commercial exploitation of the area. Next is it provides opportunities for scientific research of environmental education and tourism. See, if there is a protected area, wildlife is there, the animals and plants there, if any study or research work is done on any of the zoological topic or botanical topic, so a particular area is there where students can go and do research work. That scientists can go and see that area and do some research if they are interested. And it's also a spot of tourism. So children, we also take our children to national parks to see different types of animals and birds which they have studied in their books. Okay, so it becomes a source of tourism and again becomes a source of earning of a particular area. So it provides opportunities for scientific research, environmental education, and tourism. And the last role of biosphere reserve is it promotes the economic development of the area. What do you mean by economic development? Economic development means there is increase in earning. So as we all know, the forest or wildlife, which consists of both the plants and the animals in the forest or in the wild animals and plants. So if they are saved in a protected area, they become a source of earning for many people of that particular area. And so economically that area develops. Economically it develops, it becomes a source of earning, source of livelihood for many people of that particular area. So we have studied about the different biosphere reserves of India, where they are situated and what are their names. And then we have studied what is the role of biosphere reserves. So from this part, the question that could be asked is, name the different biosphere reserves of India and where they are situated, and what are the important roles of biosphere reserves. I think everything is clear, each and every point, children. If you have any doubt, please ask. Yes? Okay, now take the screenshot if you are interested.